Probably don't taste too bad. Just
It's not bad.
Hey guys, how's it going? We are in our hometown. I mean, we are back in Cadillac.
Cadillac, Michigan.
We are on the main dock here in Cadillac. Cadillac's got a lot of issues, honestly, but we are here. We're gonna see what we can find underneath this dock, because I know there's gotta be a lot of trash, because even while growing up, I've seen a lot of people take skateboards off from this. Not on purpose, but they've launched them out. Bikes, and what all you hope to find out here?
Oh, I hope to find some bikes, some skateboards, let's find some phones. See, and
I don't know about phones, but I guarantee you we're gonna find some really weird stuff here.
there's gonna be some weird stuff here. There's gonna be some weird stuff here.
All right, let's get into it.
I lost my egg under that. See? What's up, y'all? We're getting ready to die. See you later.
All right, I'm out, kids. That must be that anchor he left in 1974.
Right?
Oh my God! How you get a hold of that guy?
Car code.
I'm coming.
There's a full bench down there.
Check out this old Mountain Dew.
Nice. There's a car door over there.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at this. I was like, it's a old car door.
Yeah, careful.
I'm not on the dive flag. Don't
This is hooked on here.
Go
This is hooked on here.
It's all right.
Yeah, but I'm not.
Okay.
It's not hooked to me.
It's all right. It's all right, guys.
It's all good.
You guys are doing great.
We need to probably pull it this way. Is our only.
Yeah, we're gonna try to slide it over to here.
Bring it this way.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Huh?
That's what I said, Lee. That's...
Woo!
hello, Doc. Why, hello, Joe.
Hello.
Want some of Grandma's tea?
You know we love grandma's tea around here. Yeah?
I fell right on top of that. There we go. That was a good tire.
Hey, throw that on the truck.
Yeah, I see that. Like,
We're down here. We got a whole roller down here.
yeah, I'll help you get it out.
Yeah.
We need like. Oh, just wait. Grab the chair. Just wait.
Oh my God!
Grab this. Okay, hang on.
We got a whole stroller.
Shoot, that's your favorite dog yet. Hold on, back up. Back up.
There's a lot of trash down here. We found benches down here. Yeah.
How deep is that?
The deepest that I've gotten on my computer is 16 feet.
That Pepsi's mine.
I'm like ready.
I bet you that's. Good job, Jay. Got it, Heather? Where's the camera crew at? I got the camera right here.
Filming her?
Yep. I got this. Because you have to.
Hey, take care.
Thanks.
Bye, guys. Probably would find guns, but with how much muck there is.
Probably too if we just leave it here. We have to push it all out and just leave it. We're gonna put on the camera because the camera's recording.
We got the whole family out here today.
Got the whole gang. got the whole gang.
What's up?
All right, we are done.
We're
And
What a haul. What a haul.
so much stuff out there. It is ridiculous.
More than I anticipated. I didn't expect the whole door.
I found a goldfish.
Yeah, I mean, let's look at some of the stuff we got. I mean, look what Joe brought on up. Oh, look at, my son found a crawfish. Let's see it.
Oh, Brendan. Look at me. Brendan, you found the cold water. Is that a leech? That's a leech.
That's not, oh, right there is a leech.
Oh, that's a huge Whoa.
I accidentally dropped the styrofoam. We're not going to put any trash back into the water. We spent a lot of hard time getting all this garbage out. What Joe brought out, I mean, I mean, come on, really? I'm going to have to say though, how much would you think it's stolen?
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know why, because that's probably, you know,
A couple $100 thing.
I would say
Easily.
that's a nice stroller there for a kid just to leave in the water. That don't seem
And that's
right.
not something that just comes undone and goes in the water. Because if it was, I mean, the kid would have went in with it.
Yeah, and that's a nice one.
So we do got a really nice anchor here.
Kind of neat.
Boot, odds and ends, trash. I mean, I didn't try to grab so much of like the little bottles and stuff. We tried to get a lot more of this big junk out of here. And don't know what we're gonna do with this junk to get rid of it.
No
Big old
idea.
car door. I mean, I wish I could hear the story in the car door. What happened with the car door? How and why is it in there?
There's that much on there.
What's that?
The air in the tires in the stroller there. Yeah, that hasn't been down there long, I don't think.
No,
No,
it don't
about a
look
week.
like it.
Week or two.
No,
Nah,
more than
I'd say
that.
about a year.
Yeah.
Probably
Last summer.
Last summer it went in. Because you can tell based on
The
the
algae buildup.
buildup like this has been, you can see all this. This has been down there several years. This has been down there several years. Several years. Several years. Oh, no, those are probably a couple of years because these several years you can start seeing it starts
Breaking
Dry
through.
rotting.
Yep.
that tire hasn't been down there too long. A couple of years.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look at, got a brand new tire for our ride.
To go with the Dodge door. There you go.
It did a split.
Lightly used.
May have water damage.
Might have water damage. That's a good one. Joe, got you a Fanta.
Oh,
We gotta open it up.
Good.
Open up, see what's going on.
I'll take a drink of
Do
it.
not drink that.
No.
Can I try?
open.
All right.
It smells good.
Fresh out of the lake.
This is really cool. It doesn't have headlights.
Probably don't taste too bad. Just
It
Not
smells-
bad.
Like orange soda.
Tastes like orange soda. Take a drink. Go ahead.
It's good.
I was about to say,
Warm.
I found a beer that was in the river for like 2 years and
That's
took a drink of
tequila.
it. Yeah.
We
Oh,
drank-
tequila as well.
Not bad.
Too warm.
It's
I was
warm.
about to say, it probably tastes normal, just
Actually,
Warm.
it's just warm. It doesn't taste different. It's just warm.
Is that a beer? Unopened?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Oh, no. Who wants the beer? This thing's fermented.
Oh man.
For real? You won't drink it.
Oh,
Oh, the tank.
all right. I mean, we found a couple of fishing poles. I mean,
That was. I didn't clear that red.
No,
it's been fun.
it was fun. I can't wait to see what else we pull out.
Now we got the $1 million question of what the heck are we going to do with all this trash?
That was a good hunt today.
All right, everybody, say bye.
Bye.
See y'all next time.